Van renos are officially done. We're spending the next few days doing van renovations. We've got a long list of things. We have to reframe the bed. It's been exposed for a while now. We have to repaint the whole van, and we have to build a cat door. Let's get this list done.
Hi, we are Denise and Reed, and we have been living, working, and adventuring in this van for over a year now. But as we shared in a previous video, there are just some things about our van build that don't make sense. And this week, we're gonna change that. Let's go. You coming? Let's go.
Woo! It is a hot summer day, and today we are making a cat door for Rita. This cat door is necessary because Bella gets to Rita's food sometimes. We made it like 9 months without Bella realizing where Rita's food was. And now she sneakily, while we're away, eats Rita's food. So we're gonna make a door so that Rita can go underneath the bed to her food and litter. I'm super excited, well, because I haven't used this baby in a long time. This is my favorite tool by far, the jigsaw. Our jigsaw is non-operational, and I try to take it apart because I'm very handy and I know what all these things do, and it'll be a matter of seconds before it's put back together and operating efficiently. Hey Google, how do you fix a Ryobi jigsaw?
I just spent the better half of 30 minutes trying to move that bed.
In order to frame out the bedroom area, we have to take the bed out. Thankfully, Denise prepped it yesterday, so it's turned, it's not crammed in there anymore. We're just gonna pull it out from the back.
Reed finished it. This looks so good. He finished sanding it, and now we just have to paint it. It's gonna be really cute.
Okay, here's the test to see if all this work was for nothing. Over here. Oh no, she can stick her whole head in there. Come here, how far can she go? Oh my gosh, she can go pretty far. I've never seen your neck look so long as when you stick it out for some food. For some food. Oh well, we'll figure out something. It's getting closer. After sanding and painting for about 4 hours today, the light is at the end of the tunnel. I just have to sand off some areas where I put some wood filler and touch it up, and then I'm going to glue on the cat ears on the cat door, reassemble the toilet box, and then install the toilet box back into the van. And then I need to start looking around inside the van and start sanding and touching up painting in there. I might just go through and sand everything and prep it for tomorrow. Sanding and painting can be very laborious and time consuming. I did not realize that. It was such an effort. We don't have a circular sander, unfortunately, so everything has to be hand sanded, so it's probably not sanded down as much as it should be even. Good morning. Today is all about framing off the bedroom area. I'm pretty much over painting. I'm so tired of painting. The past 2 days all I've done is sanded and paint, and it makes you feel like you haven't accomplished much. So today, frame out this bedroom area. So let's hop to it. All right, I've made my template and I've traced it out. So now it's time to cut it up.
So I am prepping this wall to be stained. I'm gonna stain it the same color as our cabinets. I really hope it looks good. I just want something new. We thought about painting this whole back wall white, just like the rest of the van, and I'm just like, that's so much white. You know, we're gonna see how it turns out, and if it doesn't look that good, we'll just paint it. All right, so I'm about to just put my headphones in, put my head down, and deep clean this entire van. Reed and I have been framing and working on the van build all day long. These renovations have been a full 5-day process. We've been working day in and day out, but I'm so proud of us. We finished the framing today. All we have to do left is sand and paint it, and then we're gonna pack up the van tomorrow and be ready for Reed to fly out to Florida to meet his family tomorrow at midnight. So we did it! I'm so proud of us. We got this done right under the wire. Now, if you want to see the full van after all this is done, once we have everything packed back up, you're gonna have to stay tuned till next week, because next week we are doing our van tour, where we're gonna show you our whole van, everything that we've done to make it look beautiful. So stay tuned to next week if you wanna see our van tour.